What's going on, guys? Kevin here with Spain's World. We got a 2011 Polaris Ranger crew cab in here, 800. This is my neighbor's. It's been sitting in their barn for about a month or so now, maybe a little bit longer. They messaged me, they're like, hey, do you know anyone that can work on side-by-sides? And I was like, I know just the guy. And so ordered some parts for them to get them back up and going and stuff here. They use theirs for a lot of work around the farm and stuff, and hauling stuff around for cattle and stuff, or just general stuff. So it's a little dirty and whatever. It's a work one. So I mean, we got the RZR over here. Definitely more for play and stuff. But we're gonna hook them up real quick and get this thing back up and going for them, so it's not down any longer than what it has been. But first, we're gonna wash this thing for them. It's kind of dirty, but. Alright guys, we've got the Ranger in here. All the work's back here in the back passenger area. We got a rear axle and the water pump to do, rebuild. It's kind of a common problem for a lot of these Rangers and stuff, for the water pump to go out. According to all my Google searches and stuff like that, and diagnosing their problem that they were having. Got our new hood ornament here on the Ranger. But the hot rods repair kit for the water pump. And then the all-ball, 6-ball, heavy-duty axle. They should do fine for what they need. Comes with a 12-month warranty and stuff, so in case they accidentally break another one, I guess, they'll be able to get a warranty. Here's the boot. It tore straight down that first rib, it looks like, and then the grease got out and stuff, and then now it's clicking. In this case, you can switch out the CV, but I tell most everybody it's just easier to pull that axle, put a new one in there, and go from there versus spending the time to repair the CV. Especially if you're paying somebody to go do it, like a shop or somewhere. Just replace that axle. Alright, I think we're just going to wreck this thing. That came out easy. Alright, the axle came out pretty easily there. Got all our bolts and stuff just here. It'll be alright. But here's the old one. See a little bit more in there. You can see it. Just made a clean cut all the way around, got from the tear, and then just getting dirt and everything in there. Alright, new axle back here. Oh, brand new, all its glory. Get it in there. And now we just do everything in reverse, even though I forgot to record some of it. axle's in. We just gotta put the tire on, but I'm gonna wait. Now, we just gotta get back in here to the water pump. And that's gonna be fun. After inspecting the propeller here, the backside plastic one's pretty wore out. I think we're just gonna go ahead and upgrade this thing, get a new one ordered, get a new aluminum one, and be on our way. All right, guys, the local dealership had the propeller in stock, the OEM one, so we just went and grabbed that one versus ordering one. Let me get this out of the bag real quick. All right, you can see right here, here's the old one. It's all wore out and stuff. New one. So I think that's where their overheating issue came from. It probably wasn't spinning that propeller, I'm assuming. It's all wallered out and melted. All we gotta do is we're gonna replace this gasket because it was leaking from here also. Switch that out and should be good to go back on the road. Let's try and get some of this dirt and stuff out of here. Oh yeah, you can feel the ridge. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can actually feel and see the gasket here sticking up versus the old one. I'm assuming just been heated up, put on, heated up. It's pretty flat. All right, guys, we got the ring back in here, this goldish ring on the backing here. We need to pull all that out. See if I get a better shot of it or not, but here, this should work. All right, gotta take a screwdriver or that little point tip, get that ring out to pull all that out. It'll be all right. We'll just put the new one in. All right, guys. I ended up. Oh, I need a light over here, or else it's not gonna be able to see it. Ended up having to remove the fuel tank, or at least slide it out of the way. Get this plastic out. That way I can hammer in the new seal, which is in now. Kind of see it from here. But the seal's in now. It takes 1.25 inch, I believe, socket that you can just put over it and hammer it in. I actually had a random piece of tubing laying around that fit over it perfectly, so we just use that. Yeah, do yourself a favor, just remove that fuel tank out of the way. It's like 8 bolts and it's out of the way. That way you can hammer it in there. I was trying to do it without it, but then it's like, all right, let's take the 2 minutes and move it. All right, let's get this back together and see if we got a leak still. check it out. See if we need to, should have it all good. Looks like we're good. Oh. Light there. Looks like we're good on that. Might have to top it off with some radiator fluid again. Let that set up. Might have to bleed the system for the radiator, but other than that, we should be good to go. Hit that thumbs up button if this was helpful. Subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below if you got any questions or if there's something else that you're having problems with. Check out this next video if you need more tech tips. Peace.